Craig Stevens with the MarineMax in North Key Largo, and I'm here today to show you the 2020 Scout 235 LXF. We'll start here with your single Yamaha 300 electronic ship. You'll notice across the back we have a swim platform for both sides, so if you pull up to a dock someplace you can board from either side. Back here is your live well, which we'll come on board and show you. Okay, so welcome aboard this 2020 Scout 235 LXF. Stay here in your nice room in the back over here. Nice room for your fishing cockpit. Back here you do have a fold-out seat. Folds out here. Over here is your nice live well. Yep. All right, and then here's your back. Your leaning post is the tackle center. Rod holders across the top, and even cup holders across the top. And if you come up this way, you can see it's already equipped with a Garmin 12-inch GPS. Nice glove compartment for all your goodies over here. Up on the dash over here, you have a 12-volt charger to charge your phone, and next to that, 2 USB ports. Come in, this is your electronic ship for your Yamaha 300. This is your Yamaha instrumentation, electronic instrumentation. This is for your windlass. And then you'll see here the side-by-side, which these are a leaning post or the seat. You want to fold your seat down. Now we move forward. See up here. Nice two-area seating for seating for two with armrest, and then your balcony up here with backrest on them, stretch out and relax as you're running. These are also underneath, insulated underneath. One of the things I like a lot about them is that you can open them up without having to take the cushions off. You know, because sometimes the snaps, you know, can say break because of the elements. You get to them after a long period of time. Here you don't have to deal with that. Here, look how big that compartment is. This can also be separated like a divider in the middle if that's what you want. It's available as an option to have a divider in the middle. It's separated into 2 independent compartments. And as we come this way, you do have a marine head. Okay, again, my name is Craig Stevens. Come on down to the MarineMax here in North Key Largo. Get aboard and take a sea trial on our Scout 235 LXF. I know you'll love it.